In this video, I'll show you how to lock cells in Microsoft Excel so you can protect important data while still allowing certain cells to be edited. By default, all cells in Excel are locked, but this only takes effect after the worksheet is protected. That means you first choose which cells should stay editable, unlock them, and then protect the sheet to apply the restrictions. Start by selecting the cells you want users to be able to change. Go to the Home tab, click Format, choose Format Cells, and open the Protection tab. Here, uncheck the Locked option and click OK. These selected cells will remain editable even after the worksheet is protected. You can also hide formulas in a similar way by selecting the Formula cells, opening Format Cells, and checking the Hidden option so formulas won't appear in the formula bar once protection is enabled. After preparing the cells, go to the Review tab and click Protect Sheet. Choose what actions users are allowed to perform and optionally set a password for extra security. Once protected, locked cells cannot be edited, hidden formulas stay invisible, and only the unlocked cells remain available for changes. Locking cells in Excel is a simple but powerful way to prevent accidental edits and keep your data secure. If this helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more easy Excel tutorials, and check out the next guide to keep improving your spreadsheet skills.